Hello friends, I hope you are good. In this video will see why it is important to wear the face mask even after a person has been vaccinated. Getting vaccine is very important as long as you haven't got any contraindication for the vaccine. So if you get vaccinated, sometime it comes to our mind that I may not need to wear the mask, but this is not the case. There are 5 very important reasons why you need to wear the mask as long as the society or community you are living in hasn't achieved the herd immunity. What we mean by the herd immunity? This is the status where any virus or any infection is not able to spread from one person to the other person. So let's look at those 5 reasons why you need to wear the face mask even if you have got the COVID vaccine. Number one of the most important reason is no vaccine is going to provide you with 100% efficacy or effectiveness. Moderna and Pfizer, they are 95% efficacious. That means out of every 105 will be the person who even after receiving the vaccine are very much vulnerable to catch the infection. So other than the Moderna and Pfizer, AstraZeneca, in real sense, it is 62% efficacious to prevent infection, but you may say for the sake of general knowledge that its efficacy is 70%. Sinopharm vaccines efficacy is 80 to 86%, and Sputnik 5, which is a Russian vaccine, it has got an efficacy of 91%. So here you see that in spite of having a high efficacy, there will always be a group of the people, though minor group of the people, who will not be protected by the vaccine. So that is the number one reason we need to keep on wearing the face mask. Second reason is you will not be provided with the immunity immediately after you get the vaccine. All of these companies and the scientists, they know this scientific fact that after receiving second dose, you need to wait another 2 weeks to assume that you have achieved the immunity against the virus. Majority of the vaccines except CanSino vaccine, which is a single dose, majority are 2-dose vaccine. And 2 weeks after getting your second dose or 5 to 6 weeks after getting your first dose, you will achieve immunity against the virus. So if you drop the idea of wearing a face mask right after getting your injection, you are at risk of catching the virus. This is the second reason you need to wear the mask even when you are vaccinated. The third reason is at this point in time, the scientists are not sure whether the vaccines against the SARS-CoV-2 will protect not only the disease but also the infection. What is the difference between the disease and infection in a vaccinated person? Let's take 2 examples. One example is from the measles vaccine. Measles vaccine not only protects a person against the disease. Disease means development of the sign and the symptoms or development of the clinical manifestation of the disease. But it also protects from acquiring the virus. So you are not infected. Your test turn out to be negative. But in case of the seasonal flu, when a person gets vaccinated for the flu, chances are that that person will be saved from showing the clinical manifestation or development of the disease, but the person, even in spite of not showing the disease symptom, will be able to acquire the virus and then will be able to spread it to others while coughing or sneezing. So the vaccine against the flu virus doesn't protect you from catching the virus, but it saves you from showing the symptoms and from being a victim of a severe disease. At this point in time, when we are talking on the 19th of January 2021, scientists know that when a person is vaccinated with the vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2, person will be protected from the severe disease. But at this point in time, the scientists are not sure whether the person will be able to avoid catching the infection and spreading it to the others. So a vaccinated person may be non-diseased, may not look sick, but there are chances that that vaccinated person may be spreading the virus and harboring the virus in the nose and the throat. So this is the reason number 3 why you need to wear the face mask even when you are vaccinated. Reason number 4 why we need to wear the face mask is there are so many people who are immunocompromised. Take example of a cancerous patient. They were never been part of the trial to start with, and all those people who were diagnosed as a cancer patients, once they had been enrolled in the trials for the vaccines, they had shown 76% efficacy of the vaccine in them. So any person who's immunocompromised, like cancer patient or someone who's on steroids for any reason, that person's immune system is not able to mount the protection which is required against the virus when that particular kind of patients are vaccinated with the jab. So these people will need to keep on wearing the face mask because this is how they can protect themselves against this virus. And the 5th and the last reason why you need to wear the face mask in spite of being vaccinated, there are so many strains and the variants that are coming to light with every passing day, because as per the direction of the WHO, more and more communities, societies and countries, they are doing the genome sequencing of the coronaviruses when someone gets infected and they are showing the PCR positive. Though up till now the most important and the most famous variant is B.1.1.7, which is also known as the UK strain. And the Pfizer have announced that their vaccine works against this new variant. But people are not sure about the South African variant, which we call the E484K variant. So if there are so many variants and some of these they'll be resistant to the vaccine completely, or they'll be partially responding to the vaccine, then it is only the face mask which will be of use against these strain. Because no matter which strain you come across, if you are wearing the face mask, that will protect you from catching the virus and then showing the symptoms of the disease. So these are the 5 main reasons why you need to wear the face mask even when you get your vaccine, and you need to keep on wearing the face mask as long as the society and community or the country you are living in hasn't achieved the herd immunity.